First, the machine shuts down. Machine shutdown status. We turn on the device. Open the print head. We use alcohol cotton. 98% pure alcohol-soaked cotton balls. Wipe the print head heating wire in one direction. Note that it can only be wiped in one direction. Can't wipe back and forth. After the heating wire is cleaned, we clean the bottom rubber rollers synchronously. Same one-way wipe. Then turn the rubber shaft. One-way wipe. Do not wipe back and forth. After cleaning is completed, wait for the alcohol to dry. After drying, you can continue printing.